Sa Norway. Pangatakaan ng Norway. Pupuntang Gaza. dyan pala yung...
שם אתה יכול שהמרכז בזון שם. כן, כן. Additional food, he bringing all the cows. Okay, this is a barn for the when they hold them in the summer. Now I ask him someone asked me why they don't have the collars or the tags like the dairy cows. And remember here, they not see the cows every day and not every month. They not. All the genetic progress here is different. We have a lot less stress if you compare it to dairy cows. They all the time need to produce a lot of milk and everything. And here they are out in the field. They have a better life and they have better welfare.
מה שאנחנו מקפידים פה, זה אנחנו רוצים להביא למצב של אין פה שעות או פרות.
Bulls, and then just after the second breeding season, okay, he will check if they are pregnant. If they are not pregnant, then he will decide if he wants to buy them or not. Okay, then you get the selection. The cow, then the cats, the male cat will say if we need and then like that, they're staying with their mothers. And you can see also the bulls. You can see they have the bulls, but the bulls are not from his farm. We buy them where we talk about
because of the blood.
It's basically bureaucracy and regulation.
That you can give additional grains or additional food just for the calves and not for the mothers. Then now we're not doing it anymore because it's very, very expensive. All this technology is very expensive. And here they're not needed. In dairy cows, you want to know how much every cow giving you milk, how much
Really?